Hello, welcome everybody to this YouTube channel, Crypto Hope TV. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to undelegate your Luna Classic staked token. So, a lot of you have already watched my video on how to stake Luna Classic. If you haven't, it's among the videos I have down there. So how to undelegate, because I just undelegated mine and it took me 21 days and I was able to withdraw. So let me show you so you will see the history. As you can see, look at it, just undelegated and withdrew it. That was 21. Okay, so how to do it? First of all, let's stake. You click on stake, then you go down to the person you want to stake with. Let me choose Luna Classic DAO. I like this guy, he's an active validator. So you scroll down and you click on delegate, then you come down here and you put in the amount you want to delegate. So let's say 3. Okay, so transaction fee UST. You click on submit and you approve the transaction. Then over to undelegation, because a lot of you are already worried how come your Luna Classic staked coin that you undelegated a while ago have not yet reflected. Now if you want to undelegate, you just have to click on it, undelegate. Now it will show you the amount you staked. Now when you put in the amount you want to undelegate, 3, you come down here and you click submit. Okay, now there is a waiting period of 21 days for undelegation. So the coin you actually undelegated will not reflect. No reward is distributed during the 21 days you undelegated, the undelegation period. So when you come over here, you will notice that it didn't reflect. So it's after 21 days your coin is going to reflect in your wallet, so you have nothing to be worried about. This is how you undelegate. So please, for more videos, I would really appreciate if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless you.